Hi guys, today we are working on a 2014 Ford Focus. I will be replacing the motor mount here, passenger side motor mount. So to start, I just put a little support under the engine. As you guys can see, I use a wood block, and then I just put it right under the wood block to use a lift to lift it up just a little bit. Now I will come back up here and start. So this is the motor mount. I got it online on Amazon that I will be installing. So to start this job, I need to remove the coolant reservoir. Let me put it here. Let me just put it here. Yeah, it's fine. To be careful so this thing doesn't snap. Okay. And then the windshield fluid is also out of the way. Now, just so that I mark the existing mount, I'm gonna use the marker just to draw around it. So when I put a new one on, I know exactly how to place it down. Okay. Okay. And then we do the same thing around here. It's a big marker. It should be okay. You should do it. Yeah, that should do it. So I think it is 18 millimeter bolt. Actually, this is 18 for the top, and the bottom. Let's try 15. Yeah, 15 works for the bottom and 18 for the top. So I'm going to start with the bottom. So I'm going to remove these two bolts first. It's a little tight in there. Let me try this side. Okay, I'm going to spray some lubricant and give it another try. So I will let it sit for a couple of minutes and I will give it another try. Alright guys, I have applied some WD-40. I think we are good to go. So I'm going to remove the 15mm bolt. Okay. I'm going to remove the 18mm bolt. Okay, it's off. So you guys see how damaged this one is. Let me clean up a little bit around here. Sorry. Okay. Okay. So okay. All right. I want to make sure it's all aligned. Okay. the 18mm. Same thing over here. So this is it, guys. That's all you have to do. Easy job. So let me know if you have any question or comment. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more content. I appreciate it. Thank you. Bye bye.